Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound, US Dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a photo chart of GBP USD in front of us, and we saw some good amount of recovery on the chart of GBP USD after the NFP yesterday. After the NFP, we saw a crazy down move on the chart of DXY, and accordingly, we saw extreme recovery on the chart of Euro USD. But surprisingly, we did not get to see that amount of move on the chart of GBP USD. And in my previous video, I have already explained that GBP USD is right now entangled with many factors. Okay, so today in this video, okay, I'll simply focus on the chart of GBPUSD. I'll try to keep the video short, okay, and if I miss anything, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you as well. So after all, we are all students of the market. So as we can see right now, the GBPUSD, okay, GBPUSD is kind of following the trend line here, and the trend line is acting as a dynamic support. And previously, if we try to analyze the structure of GBPUSD, then previously it was following a downward channel here. It was following a downward channel, and market broke the channel, and boom, there was a heavy fall. Okay, when market fell, okay, market took support at the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level as well as the trend line, and as a result, we saw a good bounce on the chart of GBPUSD. Okay, so this was the high made by the market. Right now, if you already have taken a buy position, be on the trade, no need to exit, because right now market is doing fine. It looks like a good swing. But if you have missed the opportunity and looking for fresh position in the market, then I don't think so that this is the right time, because see, your risk to reward ratio will not match. If you take a buy position here, then obviously your stop loss will be here. So your stop loss will be more than 170 to 180 pips, which is huge. So see, stop loss is never wrong. It's about the position. If you think that your stop loss is too big, then there is nothing wrong with the stop loss. The problem is with the position. So right now, if you take a buy position here, your risk to reward ratio will not match right now. And as we can see, the market is kind of following the trend line, as well as market is following the Fibonacci retracement levels as well. So then what are the trading opportunities? So first of all, if market goes up, okay, listen to me carefully. If market goes up, then wait for the market to hit this level first, 1.1645 to 1.1650. Wait for a market to hit this level. Okay, as this is the previous high of the market, and more or less market is following swings here. Okay, so first of all, okay, market may reverse as well, because see, it may sound a little bit complicated, but try to understand my words. See, overall GBPUSD is in downtrend. Okay, overall market is bearish if we look at the overall structure of GBPUSD. So if the selling pressure comes again, GBPUSD will face some trouble to cross this level, the previous swing. And if it reverses from the previous swing, we can take a sell position. So the first possibility is that, considering the overall downtrend, okay, market may reverse from here as well. So once market will hit this level, observe the market. If you see the market is struggling to cross the level here, you can take a sell position. Okay, but in case you see that market looks quite bullish and market is under the dominance of buyers, and if you feel the market is continuing the present structure, the present swings here, then obviously it will break this level. Okay, it will break this level, and next resistance can be around 1.1718 to 1.1720. This can be your next resistance. Observe the market around this level, because we can see that previously market has faced some price rejection around this level. If that happens, then yes, we can expect the market to reverse from this level here, and you can take a sell position here as well. And when it will be coming down, okay, as we can see, market is following swings right now. When it will be coming down, I'll update again. You can take a buy position at the next swing. low. Okay, so right now the most important thing about this market is that GBP/USD right now is forming lower highs. Okay, higher lows. Yeah, it is forming higher lows in the market. Higher lows usually signify the presence of buyers in the market. New buyers are coming in. So as a result, right now it looks like that there's hope on the chart. Okay, let's wait and watch. I think this is the best strategy right now. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, please try to protect your capital. Bye bye, take care.